What's up, everybody? Welcome. Today's going to be a great day. Today's Monday, first day of the week. Welcome to the channel. Hussein Rizz Trader, HRT here. With that all said, let's begin. Market open at 8:30 here at Central Time, and we always wait after that first 30 minute, and then we look for our opportunity, right? It's just like that. So with that all said, let's begin. All right. So this week I'm making a little bit of a change this week, right? So you guys can see the chart here. You guys are not seeing SPY. What are you guys seeing instead? You're seeing, individual stocks. That's what we're seeing right now, right? That's what we are seeing. The reason why I did that is because I think this year, the way SPY is moving, I don't think it favors my, I don't think it really favors my, I don't think it favors my setup very well. My setup requires confidence, you know what I'm saying? So when the market keep changing, right away within like 15 minutes, changing from above the view up to below the view up, we're not going to be doing too well. So anyway, with that all said, I'm going to go ahead and buy this retest here. So you guys can see this is a retest for our setup. Take a light entry here. Okay, so we had a retest to here. We had a retest to here. So this is a break, this is a close, and any retest to the view out, we do buy. So would have liked to wait it a little bit longer for it to get closer a bit to the VWAP? Yeah. So that's why I just entered one contract. All right, so now we just essentially wait, sit back, relax, and if we get one more push, I will go ahead and add. Please ignore the SEDG symbol. That's one of my long-term holdings. And it just has that displayed right there, so it's fine. Nothing we can do about it. But I'm not in that position. Well, I'm in the position. That's not something I worry about right now. All right, cool. We had the bounce right here, and we're moving back up. So this is a break, this is a close, and this is that retest that we bought, and that's why we entered here. All right, we're already up 3% right now. Nothing too special. Let me go ahead and make it one screen for you guys, just or at least two, just so we have a better focus. So we're focusing on this one, okay? Focus your screen on this one. I'll make it one just so since we're in the position. All right, cool. All right. Hope that's not too. All right. We're moving up pretty nicely right now. I do like seeing that wick here. Nice, beautiful move up here. I'm gonna sell. I wish I had two contract ends so I can sell one right now. All right, cool. We went ahead and sold it. That was a quick, clean, that was a quick, clean, quick money, as you can say. That was a quick and clean. All right. That was that. Wasn't that fun? All right, that was pretty fun. All right, cool. Let's focus on our 3 screens since we're not in any position right now. So the reason I sold is this, because I sell levels, right? That's the reason why I sold. Right? Had I had 2 contracts in place, I would buy this retest, and the next first contract I will lay off will be the next near resistance, which was right here. That's why I sold. Yes, could it be argued as an early sell? Yeah. Would also like to have that 2 contract in place so I can have at least one out and then wait for the remaining to see if it's gonna break it and then sell at the next high. Sure, but I only had 1 contract in, and regardless, I still have to follow my rule. So the other contract I would have sold near here, near the next high, right? The next resistance, either here or here. I would have started to lay it off. That's just what we gotta do, guys. That's just what we gotta do. This was a nice trade. I saw it right after bat. As soon as we started live, my setup came. That's why I also wait for that first 30 minutes, right? I wait for that first 30 minutes. All right. So these are the 3 stocks that I'll be trading this week, and I want to see how they do. Because last time we traded SPY last time, right? That's all we did. That whole week we only traded SPY and maybe a little bit of IWM, but overall we were in mainly SPY. So take a look at Snow right now, right? We have a break, we have a close. Any retest, we're gonna enter. The difference between these two is that this one I'll be going against the I'm going against the what's it called, the 20. So I'm just gonna enter one contract. I'm gonna go ahead and go Snow. So any retest to this right here, And if you guys see this right here, focus on this middle screen. Any retest to the VWAP, which is right here, the orange, that's what we will be entering. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it to two screen for us just to have that better view. This is the stock we're currently in right now, in place, and that we're focused on. Cool. Any retest to here, we will be entering one contract. Again, I repeat, we will be entering any retest to the VWAP. I'll prefer right here or right here. We'll enter. We need a retest here. Right now, Apple's giving up that height. That's one of the reasons I sell at levels, guys. Right? I sell at levels. Right? Just like that. Just like that. I cool off on each levels we get to. I don't take the risk. I don't wait for it. Oh my gosh, are we gonna break this level? No. I already have money in place. All right, cool. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Any retest to here, I'll enter one contract. We didn't get the full retest. Could I still enter it right here? Sure. Just one, sure. But again, I right now I've already made money. I'm gonna be a bit more conservative and just wait for the retest. So again, let's go ahead and put in place our third stock here. Just watch coin here. Oh, we're getting that retest now. Here we go. Come on. Just touch it a little bit. I don't like the very fact that we are below the 20. But still, it is our thing. Let's look at the higher time frame for snow here, just to ensure we're also good on that side. Let me see here. All right, yeah, we're definitely okay. This stock, I don't know if I would like to be on the long side on this stock here. Right, here's the high of the day. Let me just mark this up real quick. All right, here's the pre-market high, I should say. And then here's the pre-market low, right? This 30 minutes close just here below the VWAP. So that's that. So it's something to know. That's all. That's just something to know. We had the I didn't enter this retest. I don't know if we actually got it or not, but I wish I didn't miss this right here. That's the one we would have got in, and that's okay. That's okay, guys. That's okay. We're gonna get an opportunity, so it's fine. Oh, Tesla rejecting. Like, what is going on right now with Tesla? Tesla is like, nah, I'm good. I don't know. I don't want to go to the pre-market high. I'm just gonna go back here. Excuse me, coming down. Literally, So we'll see what happens with both of them. Coin is doing pretty well. Coin didn't even breathe. Like, it's just rocking, bouncing off the bouncing off in the VWAP and just going. So coin has a very strong strength compared to these two. I would like to be on the short side for snow, to be honest, based on seeing what's going on. We had this close here, so very scared to do this, but I will do it. I will go ahead and buy a call. So we push here to that VWAP. You know what? This is a very hard decision, because my strategy is simply buying the VWAP, right? This is the one I'll be buying right here, and right here too is fine, right? But the very fact that we're below, we're below the what's it called, the 20E. Now I'm saying to myself, nah, maybe I shouldn't get in on this position. You know what I'm saying? So that's a question I must ask myself, right? Is the 20 a prerequisite for my entry? Right? I wish I've got in here. This has been a beautiful money as well, right? So that's the question I must ask myself. And I think regardless, I'm still gonna enter the position as long as it follows my rule. If the 20 happens to be my direction, great. If the 20 is not in my direction, all right, cool. Right? That's something I'm gonna do. I low-key wish I got into this position. Right? We had a break, we had this close, we had this retest right here. We could have bought in. Any dip to the, closest we can get to the view, we'd be buying in. We would have probably sold off here if we had two contracts in place. Made money. Made clean, easy money. Just like that. Just like that. All right, cool. Tesla's experiencing a break on the downside. Here we go. Here we go, right? Remember our three strategies? We have a break, a close, and a retest, right? We're getting a break. It appears to be we're getting a break right now with Tesla. So because coin is nowhere near our strategy right now, we're gonna go ahead and not see coin today. Until coin breaks the VWAP, we're gonna just focus on Tesla and Snow. Let's do that, right? Let's do that here. Oh wow, look at the oh my goodness, look at the pre-market price action here, right? We were here we just been going down and down and down and down and down. And yeah. We've just been going down, guys. Right here. Here's the pre-market low here. Oh my goodness, we missed this. I got freaked out about this. Alright. We're not gonna cry anymore, alright? Again, I'm gonna repeat this again. Okay, this is our strategy right here. We have a break. We have a close. This candle close above that break, right? 90% of the candles are above it, above the VWAP, the direction of that break. And then any retest, right? As close as we can get to the VWAP, we will enter. So I would have entered here, maybe two contracts, one contract, and waited for a bit more dip down to enter here, to here, to here. So this from this low to all the way to probably like here, that's my buying zone, right? And then of course anything below here, especially below this line, that's my, cool. I have to accept this, that this is an L. I would get out, right? All right, cool. We're getting a break here. We have a break. We're gonna wait for this close, and then the third candle right here, any retest to the VWAP, bam. We're gonna enter puts. Okay, right now this candle is gonna close very soon here, and we need to see a push up. Once we see a push up, we're gonna be buying that retest. Oh, here we go. We are getting our retest. Let's go. All right, cool. We're gonna be entering here. Come on, I'm gonna prepare a put here, guys. I'm preparing my puts for Tesla. All right, I'm preparing puts for Tesla. On the put side, I'm gonna go ahead and enter. I entered put. I repeat, I've entered the put on this retest for Tesla, right? And that's all we do. That's it. There's nothing else I can do right now to control the market in my favor. I just allow the probability in my favor. If it doesn't happen, cool. Here's our stop loss here. I'll add one more if it goes up here, but that's it. That's it. This is a put right here. We place our put. Here's the retest to the VWAP after this close. And that's it. If this goes against us, that's it. We're done. We're done. There's nothing else we can do. We gotta cool off the emotion. I only entered one contract, by the way. Could have still entered two, yeah. I could definitely enter two. But it's Monday. I'm just kind of, it's Monday. The whole emotions has been built up over the weekend, stuff like that, kind of in place. So I'm just being very conservative on Monday, and then going forward, Tuesday and the rest, I'll enter, 2 to 3 contracts. That's my normal. That's it. That's it. So here we go. Here we go. Are we gonna see a push down? My next entry is gonna be like right here. Right here is be the next entry. We placed the put. I repeat, we had placed the put. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put one screen for Tesla. Okay, I do like that we're seeing this wick here. I really like that we're seeing this wick here. We're now again below the. All right, cool. Can we see a further push? Can we see a further push? We're currently up you know, 1% or so. All right, cool. Here's here's the next spot right here. We're gonna be cooling off. I think right here is fine. All right, we have a nice rejection on the VWAP right now. As of right now, you could always move up, but this indicates me sellers are there. I do like to see the wick. I like seeing wick when it's on my side, right? All right, here we go. But then if I'm seeing like a major wick on the bottom, right, it's moving it against me, sure, that sucks. But again, nothing I can do. This is all probability of one thing happening over another, one outcome happening over another. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my stop loss here. Actually, this is a bit too high. I want to say right here. So I'm risking here. I'm risking this gap between here and here's what I'm risking. Right? Based on how much of this wick right here is being cleared, buyers are definitely in place. You know, buyers are definitely in place. And if I'm wrong, that's fine. That's completely okay. And I just then trade for my next setup. That's it. That's all you can do, guys. That's nothing else you can do. And that's it. We just wait. We just wait. I will add, like right here, I'll add one more put. I'll add one more put right here. All right, cool. We're above the VWAP now. I'm going to add one more. So the stock is going against us. I repeat, the stock is going against us. I've added one more put just so we're getting really close to our stop loss right now. We're very close to our stop loss. I repeat, we're very close to our loss, and we're going to be selling for a loss very soon. Here we go. By the way, if he also closes on the VWAP, we're also going to be getting out too. All right, we have what? One more minute here. One more minute. Nice rejection. Damn. It's almost like new seller stepped in. That is so cool to see. Especially when it's in your favor, right? That's the cool part. Wow. Wow, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and just get one out. Just be a bit, you know. Just gonna get one out. I got. All right. I think it's fair to say that. I survived this, you know? All right, cool. I wish I didn't sell that, you know what I'm saying? I would like to wait it here, but it's fine. All right, I went ahead and took one out. All right. Again, it's Monday, guys. It's Monday, all right? This is what Monday feels like. All right, here we go. We added one more puts here. We would like to sell this break. All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and move our stop loss now to above here. Nice. Look at this. Wow, we're doing really well. Good job. HRT, you're doing really good. You're doing really good, HRT. I'm proud of you. I'm gonna go ahead and sell here. Could I have still waited? Sure. I could definitely still have waited. All right, cool. This is day trading right here. Right? You have a setup. Day trading is probability game, right? Probability in the sense of what? That you believe that one outcome is going to happen more likely than another outcome, right? And at what percentage? Yeah, ideally, you want to have at least 60%, right? So this setup right here, which I call Rizz setup, which has those three characteristics, I believe has 60 to 70%, right? 60 to 70% of one outcome happening over another. So that's what I traded today, right? We had two trading we had two opportunities today, right? We had two opportunities today. Two of our setups, right? We had here, we had a break here, we had a close. Wait, I'm sorry, right? Wait, what's the break? We had a break, a close. Oh yeah, this retest right here. I've entered this retest. There we go. So we had our setup here, which was, this one was a bit early entry, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll definitely do better next time. So we had this right here, right? We have a break, we have a close, and then I enter this retest right here. This is, the view was about right here. It was very close. I entered one. I was gonna enter the other one, the next dip, but we never got the dip, so we just moved up, and I went ahead and I sold around here. That was our first trade. It went in our favor. Here's our second trade, right? We have a break, we have a close, and then we enter the retest. We had the retest right here, right? We entered here, and then we entered the other one here. And we had our stop loss, I believe, right here. Yeah, this wick right here. It was very close to get to our stop loss, right? And then bam, we had a major rejection, right? And then that's when we sold. We sold on this, We did very, very, very well, right? Today was a good day, all right? Now the question comes down to, can you still enter puts here for Tesla? Sure, but again, that's not my strategy. My strategy is the first retest. The first retest. I don't, anything after that, I'm good. I don't want any leftovers, I'm fine, right? I want it fresh, right? Anything above here, any retest above here, I call it leftover retest. I'm good. I'm a lion, guys. I'm a lion, all right? I enjoy it fresh, and then I leave it to the hyenas. All right? All right, here we go. All right, that's low-key corny joke, but I need to slide that in, all right? All right, let me take a look at our P&L real quick for us. Small wins is okay. Small wins is okay. Small wins will lead to your big W's. Just enjoy the small wins while you can right now. Okay? Nice job, Hussein. HRT, you're doing very well. Today, we're up $57. Let's just call it $60, really. All right? We're up $60 today on the two trades that we did. Right? We're doing very, very well. We would have been way more up had I had two contracts on this entry. But we have to follow our plan. I said what? One contract, because I'm still waiting for that VWAP. Oh, where was it? What the heck was it? Here's a close. Yeah, this right here, right? We're still a bit away from the VWAP, so I just entered only one. I was gonna enter the other one as we goes down, but we didn't get that chance, and that's okay. We did really good. That's for another day, right? We did really, 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 really well. Good trading day today. We're secured $60. We could definitely call it a day. Here's the thing about trading. Trading is not about, quantity, right? You win when you trade less, right? The less trade you take, the better trader you'll be, and also the more, not necessarily, but yeah, the better trader you'll be, because you'll have, consistency better. Yeah, the less trade you make, the better. Trust me, guys. Just, it's important to keep adding to your W's, even as little as, $10 today, 30 today, 5 cents today. Just as long as you enter the W, call it at that. Come back another day and trade your setup again and again and again and again and again. All right. All right, cool. Today we secured, $60. We're gonna have to go ahead and call it a day. It's important not to do a lot of trading, and that's okay, right? And that's okay. Just like that. Hope you found this very beneficial, guys. This is what we do. This is HRT right here. This is what we do. All right. We have a simple strategy. We go in the market with confidence, we execute, and then after that, we're done. We're done. We're gonna then come back the next day. We're gonna go at it again, right? So there we go. This week and going forward, like I said, the changes that I've made is that I'm no longer gonna be trading SPY. I'm done with SPY. We're broken up, all right? And QQ. It's also my ex. We're done. All right. The reason why is that these ETFs, for some reason, this year, for whatever the reason, has not been really favoring my strategy very well. It's been changing direction, wishy-washy, right? I don't like that. I like to trade in the confidence of one direction. But the market at the time is not showing that confidence in one direction every time it goes to that direction, then that means, all right, cool, that's the market we're in, then I need to adapt. A, change up my strategy in a way to tune it, or B, just leave. Just leave and find another market that favors me. And that's what I took. I took that option. So this week and going forward, I look forward to seeing my P&L, and I'm now trading, individual stocks. So far, I'm impressed. So far, our strategy is being favored this year with trading individual stocks. We're doing great so far. I've also did over the weekend. I did a back testing, and it appeared to be like that. You know, very very good. So with that all said, I'm very confident. Very confident. All right, guys. With that all said, HRT.